I've been able to make hundreds of thousands of dollars online in my early 20s. I started actually making money online at 16 years old. I'm now 22 years old, and I've been doing the exact same thing basically the whole entire time that I've been making money online. In this video, I want to break down, if I had to go back and start over, what my first 7 days would look like getting into the exact business model that I do today, which is high ticket sales. And so if you are a beginner or you're somebody who's looking to get into the high ticket sales space, this video is going to be incredibly valuable for you, because by the end of it, you're going to know exactly what your first 7 days should look like to actually break into high ticket sales. And yes, I am talking about 7 days here, not 30 days, not 3 months, not 6 months, not a year to get into this and start making money. I'm talking about 7 days to break into high ticket sales. If you had to go all out, what would you do? That's what we're breaking down right now in this video. So step number one in order to get into high ticket sales is you need to have a general idea of what it even is and how you're going to enter into it. So what is high ticket sales? Well, high ticket sales is basically where you are selling for an online influencer who has an expensive coaching program or service-based program. So you are the salesperson. You're the middleman between the influencer who sells the program and the person who is buying the program. You are that middle ground. You are facilitating the conversation between the two. You are part of the sales process. Okay, now that we have that understanding and you recognize that out of that, you can make commission. So you can make 5 or 10%, depending on if you are just qualifying the leads or if you're actually closing them on $5,000 to $10,000 programs. This is where you realize, wow, light bulb moment. I can make $300, I can make $500, $800 on one single phone call. Okay, so that's game changer in and of itself. But in order to get started in that, the very first thing you need to do is understand a sales process. Now, rather than you taking months and months of practicing, what you need to do is have a simple framework and script to follow. You can either use like people like mine, or you can go look elsewhere, or you can go talk to AI, ChatGPT or Claude and say, hey, create me a simple high ticket sales process that I can follow for a setting call. You type that in, it will give you an outline. It should basically be an introduction, a discovery, a transition, a pitch, and tie downs. That should be the flow of the appointment setting call. So why is this important? Well, now you have the bones. Now you have the foundation of what you can start to practice with. Recognize that you're running a mini sales call. So when you're running a mini sales call, you need to practice with some kind of prospect. Again, AI can be your best friend. You can also go to somebody that you know and you can start to practice this process with them. The number one thing that you're gonna need to practice as a noob, well, there's two things. Number one, sounding confident. Notice how when I'm speaking, I'm actually articulating my words. I sound confident. The things I'm saying, you believe because I sound confident. Well, that's just as important in sales. If you're mumbling, if you're talking under your breath, these are all natural things that most people do when they're starting out, but you have to fix it, and you have to fix it fast. So make sure, whether it's talking out loud to yourself, whether it's creating videos, do something that gets you out of your shell so you can speak clearly and confidently. And step two, when you're following the sales process, you need to focus on running discovery. Discovery is king. Discovery is the art of question-based selling. You need to understand two things. Number one, what are the person's pains? Number two, what are their goals? Pains are things they want to run away from. Goals are things they're trying to run towards. So you need to figure out how you can ask open-ended questions in order to take them away from the pains. Again, they're running from the pains, and push them towards the goals. These are the things that they're running towards. Now, in order to do that, you're going to follow who, what, why, when, where, how based questions. Who, what, when, where, why based questions. If you can follow those questions throughout your discovery, you'll figure out where they want to run away from and what they're running towards and who that impacts and why that's important to them, and you fill in the gaps from there. Again, your framework should help you with this. Okay, so that's step one. Once you do that, step two. Now, this is where we're getting nitty gritty, so lock in. This is where you are going to go and actually start creating the things you need to start applying for these remote jobs. So, number one, what you need is a Loom introduction. Number two, what you're gonna need is a mock call recording. Loom introduction. How do you do that? You go and create a 60-second introduction. If you were to meet a complete random stranger and try to list all of the reasons as to why they should hire you and why you are worth them giving the time of day to, this is what your Loom video is. It is, hi, my name is X. I'm from XYZ. Here's what I've done in the past, and here's why you should hire me as a setter on your team. And basically what they're looking for is if you can be hungry, if you have the right characteristics, of course, if you have some background that kind of sort of maybe relates to sales, like a restaurant job or you've talked to people or whatever it might be, that can also help. If you've played competitive sports in the past, that can help. And you just film a video on your iPhone with a decent background and a decent whatever and try to look decent and speak decent and start practicing that. It's going to help you become more confident, and it's also going to be an essential for when you're applying for these jobs. Loom video is number one. Number two is how you can actually prove that you are decent without having real sales experience. So when it comes to that, what people are looking for is, do you have a mock call recording where you actually sound like you know how to run a decent intro, a decent discovery, a decent transition, a decent pitch, and decent tie downs in your setting call? These setting calls are simple, guys. They're like 12 to 15 minutes. You need to practice for probably 2 to 3 days before you go and figure out how you can record a video that actually sounds decent, a mock call that sounds decent, whether it's with a friend or whether it's with AI. Again, they really don't care. They just want to hear you asking the right questions, running a good discovery, and sounding confident. So once you do that, you're probably going to have to go create about 5 more Loom videos than you think, to 10 more Loom videos than you think. And you're probably going to also have to go create way more mock calls than you really think. And the reason for that is because nobody is as good as they think they're going to be when they first start. But that's okay. You have to spend a day doing this, 2 days doing this, 3 days doing this. You have time to actually do it. The important part is that you do it every day for a consistent or substantial amount of time. And then step 3, this is the final step, which is actually starting to apply for jobs. Now, when it comes to applying for these remote high-ticket sales jobs, you're going to have 2 options. You're going to need your Loom and you're going to need your mock call for either one. But that being said, one way is you're doing outbound to these business owners. So go find any coach on Instagram, on TikTok, on YouTube, on Twitter, any of these places on the internet. Go email them, go DM them, go do whatever you can to get them to watch your Loom video and basically say, hey, do I want to interview this guy or not? And so you're just going to reach out to them. Hey, if you're looking for setters on your team, I'm confident I can help you crush it. Here's a quick Loom I put together. Let me know. And then you're going to do that for probably 3 days straight, and you're going to send out 50 to 100 DMs per day. A lot of them are going to get lost in the sauce, and a lot of them you're never going to get any responses to. Some of them you might get responses to. It really just depends. So that's one route, is doing the outbound. It's honestly really tough to do these days. The round 2 is you get into a hiring pipeline. How do you get into a hiring pipeline? Well, guess what, guys? It's 2026, okay? If you want to just fast track the line, you can't. Work with somebody like me or anyone else, but work with me, because I have basically a process where you will get into the hiring pipeline. You will automatically have hundreds of jobs to apply for that are openly hiring in the remote high-ticket sales space. We work with a bunch of the top recruiters in the space. We train you and give you way more in-depth advanced guidance and done-for-you systems to actually help you to be able to apply for these jobs the right way with what people are looking for. Again, I hire a lot of people. I manage sales teams. I know what these people are looking for directly. And so I'm going to plug you in my pipeline and basically just say, here's how to apply. Here's what to do. Here's how often you follow up. Here's how to interview with them. Here's exactly what they're looking for. Boom, you land a job in about 3 weeks. Typically, that's the timeline. Now, have people done it sooner? Yes, for sure. Does it take people longer? Sometimes if they're lazy, but the reality is the average is about 3 weeks to land a job from start to finish, because now rather than you doing outbound to all of these different roles, all you're focused on is how can I create the best Loom possible? How can I create the best mock call possible? And how can I actually show up to these interviews and basically outperform the competition on the interview and sell them on myself? And you have somebody like me kind of holding you by the hand through that whole entire process. So if you guys want access to that, go down in the description. You can fill out the application, or you can DM me on Instagram and I'll answer questions. I'll help you guys out. Just shoot me a message. I'm there. And I will see you guys in the next video.